3 Michelin stars from instant noodles? Sounds impossible, right? Well, this viral roasted garlic hack is about to prove you wrong. So, the internet is going crazy over this Michelin 3-star chef's roasted garlic ramen hack. Apparently, the chef swears that roasted garlic is the secret ingredient. It makes the broth richer, more savory, and insanely aromatic. But is it actually that good? Let's put it to the test. First, roast the garlic. Cut off the top and bottom of a whole head of garlic to release its aroma. Wrap it in aluminum foil and roast it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now let's make the ramen broth. Bring 600 milliliters of water to a boil. While waiting for the water to boil, let's prepare the other ingredients. Cut 1 stalk of scallion. Open 1 pack of Shin Ramyun. Here I'm using the original Shin Ramyun, but if you have the black version, you can use that instead. If you have leftover noodle crumbs, don't throw them away. Add the roasted garlic and let it simmer for 5 minutes to fully infuse. Then remove the garlic's outer skin and mash it directly into the broth for extra flavor. Next, add the ramen and all the seasonings. Cook the noodles as usual. Lastly, add the sliced scallion and simmer it for 1 more minute. Let me know in the comments, are you team original or team roasted garlic? And the result? Absolutely insane. The broth is richer, creamier, and bursting with that addictive roasted garlic aroma. Add the ramen crumble as a topping, and it's done. If you're tired of plain instant ramen, this hack is a must-try. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!